helps you believe in yourself again. It allows you to be who you truly are. Self-love means finding yourself beautiful just the way you are and fully accepting yourself. Finding yourself beautiful is important for your self-confidence. Embrace the beauty of who you are on the inside, and it will radiate outward. Finding yourself beautiful has many benefits for your sexual energy. You want to be able to look at yourself in the mirror with confidence. A truly divine husband will respect you when you see that you love yourself. This isn't just the beauty on the outside, but the beauty and intelligence that you confidently radiate from the inside out. Welcome to Nature by Nairas Art. When you're dancing and your divine god's or goddess energy increases, it sometimes also attracts negative, low energies with a jealous spirit. The woman is enjoying her evening. She moves beautifully to the music and feels wonderful because of the heightened sexual energy she has under control in her body. People who struggle with this operate from their lower energy field. It has nothing to do with the woman enjoying the vibrations of the music. It has more to do with the inferiority complex they have for themselves. Men who gossip and see a woman as inferior operate more in the frequency of their feminine energy. The system dominated by masculine energy feels superior to feminine energy. It is the draconian energy from which they operate that you can find in these types of men. They see their behavior as masculine, while it is an overtly feminine energy from which they operate. A man who exhibits such behavior is a man who feels superior to women's energy, while that is precisely what he desires. A man who assumes he is superior to women is incapable of leading. A man who finds himself in this energy will never be able to build an empire with divine feminine energy. He will only destroy her by operating from his draconian energy, which he perceives as masculine, while actually operating from a lower frequency of feminine energy.
She was dancing like a prostitute. No way, she was really provocative. Yeah, totally. Provocative stuff.
The goddess of love sits in the beauty of the night, beneath the magnificent blue moonlight, enjoying the sounds she plays on her harp. The beautiful tones she plays evoke the vibrations of female sexuality. With this, she aims to stimulate the sexual energy of the divine feminine. She ensures that the divine feminine embraces, amplifies, and accepts her sexual energy as beauty and acceptance of her femininity. Her music attracts the attention of the goddess of sexuality, who demonstrates through her dance how she amplifies and accepts her sexual energy. Your beauty is not something to be ashamed of. Moving your body to the music's beautiful vibrations increases your energy and makes you happy. Someone who tries to place your beautiful movements in a negative context is living in a low energy state and doesn't fully embrace themselves as they are. That you know how to move your body to the music is a divine gift. By moving to the music, you always know how to lift yourself up. Goddess Hathor is also drawn to the beautiful sounds of the harp and lets her angelic voice resound. Goddess Hathor invites the goddess of love to come and play her beautiful music for the goddesses in the palace within the pyramid.
This is Nairas Art Productions. Welcome to Nature by Nairas Art. This is Nairas Art Productions. This is Nairas Art Productions. This is Nairas Art Productions. Welcome to Nature by Nairas Art.
I welcome you to come and play your beautiful music in the palace for the goddesses. Thank you for the invitation, Goddess Hather. I accept the invitation.
Dancing is a gift. Not everyone can move to the rhythm of the music's vibrations. Even if you can't move to the beat of the music, it has a positive effect on your energy. The feeling of joy stimulates the feeling of love. Movement always helps you lift your energy. That's why it's important to move. Exercise and yoga also help you increase your energy and feel good in your body, where your soul resides. So make sure you move yourself often and feel good about the way you express yourself in your own energy.
I want to thank everyone for watching and listening. Increase your energy by dancing and enjoying the right healing vibrations of music. Stand in front of the mirror and look at your movements. Embrace yourself and lift yourself up. As long as you respect yourself, there's nothing wrong with radiating your divine gift energy through dancing. I hope this message will ignite more self-love and that more lights will turn on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel Nature by Nairas Art. I thank you. And until next time, bye-bye.